How do you install and use Google Bot extension, and also what are they? That's the topic of today's video. Before we jump into it, make sure you like and share so more people can see this. All right, if you go to bot.google.com, you are gonna see a pop-up like this. So this is the update that I recently got just a couple of hours ago, introducing bot extensions. So easy way to think of extensions are, it's kind of like ChatGPT plugins. Bot can now respond with the real-time info from Google Maps, flights, hotels, YouTube. So with extensions, your Google Bot can connect and get you data from YouTube, Google Maps, flights, your Gmail too. I'll show you in a second. So your Google Bot will become more powerful and more personalized with these extensions. So where do you see this? Let me actually refresh this page. So you're gonna see this icon on the top now, and it says extension. When you click on this, here are all the extensions. Extensions help you bring it all together. Here are all the extensions: Google Flights, Google Hotels, and you can toggle and turn this on. When you've come here first time, the Google Workspace might be disabled, so make sure you enable it, and then it's gonna connect to your Gmail. It's gonna ask you to sign in with the Gmail, which your Google Bot is already signed in, and then YouTube. So these are kind of like plugins, and I'll show you, these are very, very powerful. So I'll show you how to use these extensions next. So let's do a new chat, and I want to use this prompt actually. Find me flights from Chicago to New York on October 5th, coming back on October 10th. So watch what happens. It's gonna connect, or it's gonna start using Google Flights extension. Yes, my bot is talking with Google Flights, and boom, in a few seconds, here you go. I didn't have to go spend a lot of time doing this research. I know my flights right here. Here's more details. Here's round trip, pricing, everything is here. So instead of using multiple tools or apps or online platforms, Google Bot AI is doing all the work for me. How cool is that? All right, let's do another. I'll do it here. I'm gonna say, find me some video tutorials about AI tools, or actually I'm gonna say Runway ML AI tool, because Runway ML is a video AI video tool. So when I do that, look, it's using YouTube, and here you go. In a few seconds, I got my tutorials right here. How neat. Now, another way to, you can use the command, and based on your command, it will get the extension working for you. Another thing you can do is you can use the @ symbol. So watch this closely. If I type @ here, I can now enable all these enabled extensions. They're here. I can pick these, and I can also call those extensions. So there are two ways. You can use @ symbol and call the extension, or the Google Bot will automatically detect and bring it for you. Now, the most powerful feature of these extensions. So I'm going to show you here, because I've done some commands here. With the Workspace extension, you can it can talk to your own data. So look, one of the prompts I used was, what are the last 10 emails I received? So it invoked, or it used the Google Workspace extension, and here are the last 10 emails that I received. So it told me the exact emails from Pat Flynn, X, everything, right? So you can get summary of your emails too. So that's the next extension. Let me actually, a next prompt I use. So here's the next prompt I use. I said, find the latest AI tools mentioned in my email newsletters, and then I invoked the Gmail extension. Here's the exact prompt I used, and guess what? It invoked the Google Workspace, and Gmail is part of the Workspace extension. And look at this. I used to go into my email newsletters and find these AI tools, spend hours sometimes to filter through the email to find the tools, and with this, I got my answer in few seconds. Here is the AI tools mentioned in my email newsletter. So not only you can talk with other online platforms like flights, Hangout, or hotels, maps, you can also do or talk to your own data, Gmail, your Google Drive, your Google Docs, with the help of our Google Bot extension. So very powerful. It's gonna make Google Bot more personalized, more powerful for you. Any questions, let me know. Let me know if you're going to be using the Googlebot extensions and how do you like it compared to ChatGPT plugins. I'll do some more videos in future on different use cases. For now, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in this next video. Bye for now.